Hello, my Foxies. This is Foxy by Nature. And yes, it's that time again to open up our Izzy and Liv brown sugar box. So let's go ahead and jump right into the box. And the box was actually, um, has quite a few things in it because there's some items in the box that couldn't even fit in the box. So I'm going to open the box and open up the actual item that couldn't fit in the box so that way we can see what we received inside. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on another video from Girl You Foxy. Let's jump right in.